Here it is, folks. The Poulan mystery bushing. You've heard about it. You've read about it. Nobody can tell you where it goes except for me and one other guy that I read on the internet. After reading hundreds of posts, somebody said that it goes into a spot like right there or something to stop wood shavings from going past like the flywheel or something. No, no, no. Me, I found that it fits perfectly onto that little nipple right there where the spring fits in for your handle. And that's where I put it. Fits perfectly, I mean, and it makes sense for it to go there. Wrong, that's not where it goes. It's a support bushing, goes right there for your carburetor air cleaner plate. That's where it goes. So it's a little foot underneath, I guess, so this doesn't start tilting forward, because I've had trouble with this chainsaw since replacing the fuel line and taking off the carburetor. If you have to replace your fuel lines on any of these models like this, it's a nightmare. You have to take everything apart. Nothing wants to go back together easily. You have to fight with it. Major battle. So I recommend, if you can, don't take off the carb. Just the fuel line comes up and it goes under this tab right here, and then fishes under this lip and around and then into the carb. Try to work with what you have. Try not to take that carb off. But if you did and you're wondering where this mystery bushing goes, and I'll show you the parts diagram that Poulan gives you, but they never actually tell you where it goes. They just picture it along with the carb, etc. That's it. Your mystery is now solved. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.